this is gonna be my last video on YouTube.
Bad bitch in LA, tell me that she made the trip. Shorty bad as hell, yeah.
So the start of the week, this is what happened. Basically, this is my outfit that I wore when we went to Wimpy to have some breakfast. So as you can see, this is my milkshake, and then we had some breakfast. So I had like hash browns, bacon, bread, and 2 eggs, as you can see from this picture. And after that, later on that day, I had a nice snack. I had some papaya, had some grapefruit. Those are my 2 favorite fruit to eat actually. And yeah, I bought a bunch of papaya. And then after that, we took the dogs to the vet. So Bronx got his injection and Daisy got a new haircut. I can't wait to show you guys what actually the haircut turned out like. And there's Bronx waiting for his little sister to come out from getting shaved and stuff. I don't think Daisy was happy, but here she is, looking all cute and shaven.
Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bradley, but I go by Zuri Africa on almost social media platforms. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today I decided to start a new vlog. I don't know why but I just decided to start a new vlog today. So today I am currently busy setting up my stuff so I can film my new video. I want to try a new segment yet again on my channel because I like experimenting with stuff about fashion and stuff. So yeah, I am currently filming that video, so you probably see that video before you see this vlog. And I know you guys can see clothes in the background and stuff. So yeah, I'll basically show you what the setup looks like and what these clothes look like. So basically I want to start a style series or whatever, because like I am getting into fashion a bit, and yeah, I'm becoming passionate about that. This week a lot has been happening, which I have not been vlogging because I've been lazy, but you guys should follow me on my Instagram because I post a lot of updates on my Instagram. And anyway, we went to Wimpy. I went to go pick up my take a lot order, which I'll show you right after this. My boyfriend got me a new plant, and yeah, I've been busy with like school stuff. So I've basically been busy with a lot of stuff, so I haven't been having time to like document stuff and vlog and all that stuff. But yeah, so today I just decided, let me just vlog maybe for the weekend, I'm not sure, because today's a Friday. So I'll vlog today and tomorrow and Sunday maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll make a weekend vlog. So welcome to a weekend vlog. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Today I am gonna go to the gym later on, and guys,
I am losing my mind.
I have to like rant before we get any further. This area is full of crap, okay? Because yesterday we didn't have electricity. Today I wake up, there's no water. I don't know what they want us to do, basically. Like I literally don't know what they want us to do. So I have to call my mom and ask her to bring me water. Can you imagine? Can you eat? Yeah, so I don't have water. I literally don't have water. I don't even know what I'm gonna use to wash off my makeup, and I'm done doing all this nonsense. So I'll probably use my wipes actually. But anyway guys, I don't have water, so send me but by the time the vlog comes out, you guys, like I'll probably have water. I hope I have water. But yeah, I don't have water today. I didn't have electricity yesterday, so I couldn't even film this video yesterday because I didn't have electricity. But today I have electricity and I don't have water. So yay me, my life is great. So yeah, let's carry on with the vlog. This is my behind the scenes of the video that I am trying to film, and I have my little lint roller right here, guys. Like I am busy trying to remove lint from most of my clothes and stuff, and this is what I look like basically. I know I look crazy. My friend got me this new plant. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll probably have seen it, to replace the orchid. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It's a house plant obviously, so it needs very little to no light basically, and you don't have to do a lot of maintenance on it. So this is what the plant looks like. Also fetched my order from Take A Lot. The giveaway gift is in here, and then this is the one that I bought for myself. So let me show you guys what it looks like inside. You guys can see, this is the mini tripod and the Bluetooth remote I bought for myself, and then this is the tripod that I'm gonna go give away to the giveaway winner. Obviously by the time you guys see this vlog, the giveaway is probably like announced and stuff, so yeah. And I got this specifically for this remote because I want to start taking myself pictures. I want to stop bothering my boyfriend. I know how to take myself pictures, so I can just go out there with my tripod and this little remote and I can take myself picture instead of like using the self timer and stuff. But yeah, so basically that is it for today. I'm just gonna carry on filming my video, and yeah, see you guys on the next day of this vlog, or actually see you guys later on. Okay, so I'm finally done filming. Mind you guys, I started filming at around 9. It's past 1 right now and I haven't eaten yet. I'm still hungry and the water is still not back, damn it. Yeah, but my mom brought me water. Sounds weird, but she brought some water to me, so I have water. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up, guys. Like, this is what it looks like on the bed right now. So I'm gonna pack up and stuff. I even did a reel, actually. I'm very proud of myself. I even did a reel, and yeah, I actually filmed 2 YouTube videos and 1 reel, so I'm very happy about that. I'm gonna edit it later on tonight, but my boyfriend's about to come back from work, so we're about to go to the gym. I need to eat before I perish, before I die. And yeah, that's it actually. So let me wipe off my makeup and anyway guys, so we're going to the gym to go shower. No, like for real, the water is still not back. Yeah, sad, but we're going to the gym though too, so see you guys there. Guys, the water is back, so we're going to shower at home now, hopefully.
No, tell the people what you did first.
I did nothing.
Tell the people what you did, Bradley.
So guys, see, since the water was gone, right, I left a tap open outside with a bucket underneath, so that when bits of water drips, I'll explain when we get
So I made myself some nice oat pancakes, and this is how they turned out. They look very, very nice. Added some honey on top just to add some flavor, and I eventually added some strawberries to just make them look nice. So yeah.
Say your dog's favorite word and see what they do.
Ready to go walkies, walkies, walkies. Ready to go walkies, walkies, walkies. Ready to go walkies. Ready to go walkies, walkies, walkies.
Anyway, guys, here's my giveaway winner.
Looking crusty as ever. I'm
Say hi to the phone.
Hiya. At least the clickily right with nails, did hair, did everything.
Nail done, hair done, everything dead.
Anyway, y'all, here's my giveaway winner.
Hi guys. First ever of all your giveaways.
Yes, guys, a loyal subscriber.
Very,
An
hey,
OG
please,
subscriber.
please. Thank you, Bradley.
She lives far. No one lives here. We don't know where she is.
What are these houses? Please, don't do that to
Anyway,
me.
congratulations.
Hi guys, so welcome back to the last day of this vlog. I know I haven't vlogged much, and I know that this vlog is very short, but I've been annoyed. A lot of things have been going wrong. Like, and I've been super busy, so I haven't been having time to do any vlogging or anything like that. But yeah, basically in this vlog you saw me give my giveaway winner the tripod and ring light that I said I was gonna give, and yeah, that's about it. Like, that's literally it that I've done in like what, 3 weeks actually. But yeah, as I thought that things were gonna get better, things got worse. So I think my filling fell out or moved or whatever. I'm in so much pain right now, and I know I don't even know why I am actually filming myself saying this. If you guys remember, like last week there was no water, there was no electricity. Now my filling, I'm busy, schoolwork, this everything is just like too much. Also, like, my cousin also passed away, so things have just been weird. So this is basically going to be my last video on YouTube up until I decide I want to come back. I don't just want to leave and not say anything like all the other people do, but like, that's their business, not mine. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that this is going to be my last video on YouTube up until I decide I want to come back. If you see this, you see it. If you don't, you don't. And I did say that I was not gonna post any more videos. Even the previous video that I posted about like me trying on clothes and stuff like that and whatever, I was not even supposed to like let that video go out. I just did that video because like I was like, I don't want to miss a Sunday without uploading. But you know what, it's okay for me to skip a few uploads on YouTube. My life doesn't revolve around YouTube. So yeah, today, actually not even right now, I have an appointment and I booked it today because this thing started last night and I don't even understand like what's going on. So I'm gonna go to the dentist and get it figured out. I think I might need to do a root canal, is what they call it. I think they need to kill off the nerves in my tooth. And as you guys know, I don't have teeth, so I can't afford to lose more teeth. I can't even afford to lose this one tooth. And also on this side of my mouth, I had the exact same problem, and then this other dentist, okay, my dog's the one barking, but this other dentist removed the wrong tooth. So I have one missing tooth that was perfectly fine that got removed. So that's also pissing me off. And then the filling that I got here, I got it last month. Imagine, not even last month, I think I got it this month, beginning of this month, and it's already loose and they charged me so much money for it. Like, things are just pissing me off right now. So yeah, let me just go to the dentist and I won't take you guys with. I'll basically just show you guys me getting there or whatever. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. This is my last video on YouTube up until I figure shit out. So peace.